Welcome to our channel. Used Car Parts Online USA. Avoid scams and get quality parts. Stick to known sites. Don't just grab something off some random Facebook seller or a sketchy listing that looks too new to be real. Stick to verified marketplaces or certified auto part stores. Check seller ratings. Always scroll the reviews and dig a little. If you see even a couple of complaints about fake parts, wrong shipments, or stuff arriving broken, that's usually all you need to know. Ask for VIN match. Never skip this. Always confirm the part matches your VIN number, because that's the only way to guarantee it actually fits your car. If the seller avoids this step, they don't know what they're selling. Get actual photos. Stock images are a massive red flag when you're dealing with used parts. Ask for actual pictures of the item sitting on a shelf, on the ground. Warranty or return. Even a short 30-day return policy is better than nothing at all, and it shows the seller has some level of confidence in the part. If there's no warranty or return option, that's a big no. Compare prices. If the price is half of what the market usually charges, you should already be suspicious. It might look like a steal, but most of the time it's junkyard scrap or a low-quality knockoff. Look for OEM marks. Check the part itself for OEM stamps, logos, or serial numbers. If it looks ground off, painted over, or just plain missing, that's a huge sign it's not the real thing. Avoid cash deals. Always pay through a traceable method like PayPal or a card, because that gives you some protection. If they're asking for wire transfers or sketchy cash apps only, that's usually scam. Talk to the seller. Call them before you send money. Real sellers will talk straight, answer your questions, and know what they're selling. Scammers usually hide behind texts or emails. Save receipts. Keep every single receipt, screenshot, and email. If something goes wrong, your bank or PayPal will want proof, and without it you've basically got no case to fight back. Thank you for watching.